Complimentary song to the deities of Red Rock Jewel Valley.
One day, after leaving his cave to collect firewood, Milarepa returned to find 5 Indian demons with eyes as large as saucers, who he thought to be apparitions of the deities who disliked him. As he had never given them any offering, he then began to sing.
This lowly spot where stands my hut is a place pleasing to the Buddhas, a place where accomplished beings dwell, a refuge where I dwell alone. Above Red Rock Jewel Valley, white clouds are gliding, below, the Sang River gently flows, wild vultures will between. Bees are humming among the flowers, intoxicated by their fragrance, in the trees, birds swoop and dart, filling the air with their song. In Red Rock Jewel Valley, young sparrows learn to fly, monkeys love to leap and swing, and beasts to run and race, while I practice the 2-Bo-D mines and love to meditate. Ye local demons, ghosts and gods, all friends of Milarepa, drink the nectar of kindness and compassion, then return to your abodes. Thank you for listening. Please do share if it's helpful or beneficial. We also love to hear your suggestions related to Buddhism. Comment below or send us message on tbtbuddhism@gmail.com.